Let's find out how to download Roblox for iPhone. The method we are using is also working for other iOS devices as well. So if you want to download Roblox for your iPhone, I will show exactly how to do it in a few very simple steps. So there's a lot of reasons why you want to download Roblox. It is a really fun game whether you want to play it with your friends or just want a game to play on your phone. I will show you exactly how to do it in this video. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store. As you can see, this is the home page where you end up when you open the App Store. You therefore want to go click on the Search tab in the bottom right corner. When you have clicked the search bar, you want to search for Roblox. So when you search for Roblox, it will appear as the second option which you want to click. As you can see, I have already downloaded it before, so what you want to do is click your option that says Get and you will be able to download it for free. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a comment and make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.
Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.